Happy birthday, sweetie. Happy birthday. Thank you, Meme. Boy, they just love their Meme, don't they? Oh, look at that beautiful cake. It's okay to cry. The more you cry, the less you pee.
Look at.
You're not gonna pee for days.
Give her hugs. Where's Keith? How come Keith's not over here? Tammy, tell Keith to come over. Tell Keith to come over.
Come down and we can talk to dinner and stuff.
Hey, every time he gets you guys, give her another hug.
Desi up here. They had a girl.
He loves you, Desi, and I know you love him very much.
It's been fun watching you grow up.
It's been fun watching you grow up.
Hey, you're not done growing up yet, guys. Okay, don't put us in our graves yet.
Happy birthday, honey.
I'm not ready.
What are you doing over here, Meme?
You can go whenever you want.